I have noticed lately that a lot of you really do struggle with typing. So when it comes to completing activity on the iPads, you are slowed down by your lack of ability of typing. So we are going to practice in science class using scientific readings taken from journals, magazines, websites, whatever, any sort of written form and written text, and you will be given a paragraph and asked to retype it just to practice the skill of typing. However, before you do that, every single time you come to this group or you're doing this activity, you will be expected to practice a typing test. So if you access our shared Google Drive, underneath or in Science 7 or Science 6, doesn't matter which one, you will find under one of these categories, note-taking, reading comprehension, researching, typing, so we're doing typing, you will find a document that I haven't added yet that has all of the instructions for this activity. I think I did add it to Science 7 already. Perfect, so it's in Science 7. So what I'm going to do is open up the document and the instructions are right there. It says go to www.typingtest.com. So I need to get into edit mode in order to access anything on this document. I press the blue circle with the pencil inside. I then click on the link and I open link. I'm going to open using Safari because we don't have Chrome. And here I am. So every single time that you come to do this typing activity, you will start by doing a pre-test, a typing test, and it will help you practice. It is a test that takes 60 seconds, and you will track how fast you are going by words per minute. It does all the tracking for you. So you press the orange rectangle that says Start Typing Test. And I am going to start by clicking and tapping right here in the rectangle. I'm going to move it a little bit so I can see it better. See how it started like this? It's a little bit hard to do that, and the time will not start until you start. So make sure you're nice and ready, that you're a comfortable position, that you're standing above the iPad, or that you're sitting and it's comfortably laying on a surface so that you can type fast, not using just your thumbs holding it. That is not the fastest way to type on an iPad. All right, so here we go. I'm going to start, and capital letters do count, and punctuation, just like in real life. So as you can see, as I'm typing, the word that I need to type turns blue. It helps me follow along as I'm trying to type at a fast speed. It will also track my errors, and it will tell me that I have a slightly lower words per minute because of my errors. Oh, chives. It is a little bit tougher to do on an iPad, but I guess as the more you do it, the better you get at it. And that little arrow with the, I don't know, kind of curved line indicates that you need to skip down, so you need to press return. It's called the return button. Oh, and test completed, my time's up. So my typing speed on an iPad is 45 words per minute, and I had 4 errors, so they adjusted my speed to 41 words per minute. On a laptop, I tested a few minutes ago at 85 words per minute, so there is a difference. What you will do next, you are going to record these results. Okay, I was just checking if you could copy the whole thing. Let's see. I'm going to click on it. There. I can actually copy, and I'm going to open a new document in Docs, or I could go through my Drive and press Add and go to Google Docs, or I could just go to the actual app as well. Doesn't matter. I'm going to put a new document in. I'm going to write my name first so that it's easily visible, and please do put just typing, just in case it ends up in the wrong folder. Okay, typing, and that's it. Create. And that happens. That's technology. It knocked me out, so I'm just going to go back into Docs. I'm going to try and add it again. New document. So now I get to show you the two ways you can do it. I'm going to again put my name, and you can even put a slash like that, and then typing. Okay, I'm going to create. Let's see. Oh, perfect. It did create it. I'm going to tap down. It says paste. So you just kind of hold it, and look, it already did the work for me. Okay. What I did forget is to add my MLA format on the top left corner. So this is expected of all students. It's good habit, and it will help identify whose document is whose, since we are all sharing. So I'm going to put my full name, not just your first name. I'm going to put Mrs. Culligan. I am going to put Science 7, again, just in case it gets in the wrong folder. And then I am going to put the date. It's really important to track your work by date. And I actually have no idea what date is. It is March break. So that is what I'm going to write. So you will title this Results. Okay. See, look, I'm already getting familiarized again with iPad. And if I put my little, I don't know, blue flashy thing, I know it has a name, I can't think of it right now. If I put that there and I go to paragraphing and I put it in the middle, it becomes a subtitle. If I double click it, I can bold it, I can underline it. It's nice to have your subtitles pop out. And that is the first part to the typing activity. This took me about 7 minutes altogether to record for you, so it may take you majority of your activity time at the beginning until you get used to doing this part. All right, I will do a separate video to show you what is expected while typing up the text chosen by the teacher.